sharing app, and then I'll show you how you can launch your own similar iOS app using Softmize App Studio. As you can clearly see, even a simple file sharing app has huge demand in the market. People use these apps daily to share photos, videos, documents, and music instantly. And because of this heavy daily usage, developers generate strong monthly revenue from these types of utility apps. Now, let's check this app on the App Store. Here you can clearly see the clean UI, professional design, and smooth user experience. The app allows users to instantly share photos, videos, documents, audio files, and contacts with just one tap. It also supports QR code-based connection for fast and easy device pairing. Users can see real-time sending and receiving status with complete security. The app is extremely simple to use, yet it delivers powerful performance, super fast connectivity, and secure wireless file transfer. That's exactly why apps like this get massive downloads and high user retention on the App Store. Now comes the most important part. If you want to build your own iOS file sharing app like this, Softmize App Studio provides you the complete iOS source code and professional UI kit for this type of app. The source code is 100% clean, easy to understand, beginner-friendly, and comes with full documentation. You can easily customize the app name, logo, colors, features, and even add your own monetization like ads or premium plans. We also provide full support including installation, customization, and complete App Store publishing assistance. You don't need to worry about any technical work, everything is handled for you. Just type the source code, and within a few hours, your own iOS app will be live on the App Store.